to be on watch. We are about halfway across the Orkney Firth. Hopefully you can see that. It's been pretty non-eventful so far. You can see. So yeah, it's 1 o'clock. We set off from Peterhead this morning at 7 AM. So I think we've probably got about another 7 hours to go, maybe 6 hours, 7 hours to go. We're making really good time. The tide is just turning now, so we should start moving a bit faster soon. And just fingers crossed for the wind. Come on.
All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Aberdeen Coast Guard, Aberdeen Coast Guard, Aberdeen Coast Guard.
Right, so the wind's on our head now. And that doesn't look good over there. I'm still not sure which direction it's coming from. So the wind's died. You can't go into Wick if there's a stronger than a force 4, so more than 16 knots. And there's a swell coming in. There is like a little bit of swell, but the wind's just dropped completely now, so we're fine. There's no storm anymore. It seems to have gone in the other direction. We've got a lovely sunset now, so just about an hour or so until we get in. Not sure if you can see very well, but we're just lined up now on a course at 288 degrees to enter Wick Harbour. We're on the white leading light, which is flashing on and off in the middle of the channel between the red and green port and starboard markers. Yeah, we're lined up nicely. We've got a sharp turn when we get in there to port. But yeah, we're not too concerned. We've got it in the bag. We arrived in Wick last night. I'll just give you a quick look. We're going to head on that sort of course here, get to this waypoint. So we want to avoid all this. There's a big sandbank coming down here, so we're going to avoid the sandbank and then head up here. We've got to leave from here 2 hours before high tide, I think. And then yeah, so we need to get here. We need to get up here because the tide is coming that way before 9 o'clock and we don't want that. So we need to wait for it to go back in here. So we'll probably have to drop anchor in here because we'll be early for a couple of hours and then wait for the tide to turn. So we'll be coming here at 9 o'clock tonight and we'll just sail in with the tide. Which seems pretty straightforward, but it does mean we're coming in here in the dark, but it's really well lit. So we're just passing the Pentland Firth now. We're quite away from it, but oh my gosh, the tide is so strong here. So we've got the tide coming in now, going down through here, and even though we're quite past it, I can still feel the boat is fighting. We keep getting knocked off course, so I'm having to add like 10 degrees on the starboard on the autopilot like every so often. They're literally just fighting to stay on course at the moment. Yeah, never underestimate how strong the tides are up in this neck of the woods. I've never felt anything like it. But we are now just passing, I think, south Ronaldsay, or just about. I can see it over in the distance. So yeah, we're making okay time considering. And we are going to drop anchor in the Kirk Sound to wait for the tide going west again, sorry, east again later on, before we go into Deer Sound where Kirkwall Harbour is. Check this place out. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's called Home Sound, Weddell. It's so lovely. So I'm going to stay here for the night. Ooh. Watch the ribbon. So, I don't know if you can see it, but I wanted to zoom in. There's a shipwreck over there. So we've made it to the Orkneys. You happy?
Aye, we're Weddell
Weddell.
and it's beautiful.
It is beautiful, look at it.
Yes.
We're going to leave here tomorrow at 11 o'clock, which is good, so we can have some of this and lie in. And yeah, so the tide turns around 3 o'clock. So yeah, we've got between 3 and 5 to get into Kirkwall. But what a place to spend the evening, how beautiful.